Well, to start off today's video, I am going to the auto parts store to get a couple things. Well, maybe just like one thing. You see this? Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. So I'm not gonna go to Honda, and I'm not gonna spend 70 bucks on an easy fix. I mean, it's not a big deal or anything, but I'm gonna get some weather stripping, some like adhesive type deal that sticks onto the glass, which will semi-prevent water from getting in there, because that's not what we want now, is it? No, it's not. So let's get started. Very nice. So yeah, this is gonna be really hard, actually. This is me vlogging and driving. I don't know if this is safe or anything. On this car topic, I guess you would say. Oh, that's a red light. I had just recently bought this car, probably about 2 days ago maybe. I got a really good deal on it, I would say. It's a 2009 Honda Civic LXS. I guess that's like a sport type of deal. Well, instead of like what I've noticed, the only difference is, like, instead of the LX model, which has Steelies, I got alloy wheels, which is nice, I would say. It looks better. I got it for $5 grand. I mean, it's got some miles on it. They're highway miles, I know that for a fact. The person before me drove from home to college every day, kept it well maintained. And yeah, quick drive, because I'm pretty much already here. I think this is what we're gonna need. I think so, at least. I mean, it'll work.
The way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop.
Here's the thing about buying a new car. The majority of the time, used cars aren't always perfect. There's either something wrong with the body, or like maybe something minor, but I mean, it's nothing, or it might be something major. I mean, either way, they're not 100% perfect. I think I kind of lucked out, because there's nothing wrong with this car. Mechanical wise, there's nothing wrong with it. Exterior wise, interior wise, I mean, that little weather stripping thing, that'll be alright. I guess this is me just trying to, like, yeah, like I said, this vlog stuff, I'm gonna have to get used to. I figure, hey, why not make a video of this? Take something small and make it into something big. Oh, this is so hard. My battery dying. It is dying. So, I'm gonna end it here. But if you could do me a favor, drop that thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, whatever floats your boat. And I'll catch you guys next time.